guys can see. Mucho gusto, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a card box for your wedding or whatever event you want. This is for my wedding. It's a terrarium card box. So yeah, just follow along with me and we're going to make it together. So I got this from a local antique type store that has a lot of cool things. I saw this. It was pretty much exactly what I was looking for. It's one of these. You could leave it open and have people put cards in it like that. I decided that it gives off the terrarium look better when it's closed. So what I did was I took metal cutters. I got them at Home Depot. I took the middle wire and I did this off camera because I'm stupid. I just cut through that and these worked really, really well because this is just like a thin metal. Depending on what type of terrarium you find and what your metal looks like. Luckily, I only had to cut the center one right here, and then it was a good size that envelopes, if you can see, can just fit right through it. So the first thing I'm gonna do with my terrarium, because it's a little dusty, and like I said, I picked it up at like an outdoor antique shop, so it's got dust and dirt on it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and give that a wipe down. This is just like a damp paper towel. Wiping it down and getting the dirt off is just so that obviously the paint will adhere to it better and you won't get parts of the paint sticking to the dust, and then when the dust rises, the paint rises too, you know what I'm saying? Oh dear. See how dirty it's getting? So good thing I'm doing this. Throw that off to the side and then immediately clean it up. So once your terrarium is all wiped down and then dried, you can just start painting it. I ended up getting my paint from my local Michael's. Sorry, I keep hitting this. I ended up just getting Martha Stewart because packaging is everything and Martha just knows what's good when it comes to packaging. So I ended up getting two different ones because I wasn't sure exactly which one I'd want to go with, and I thought maybe I'd want to make a little bit of a mixture. So I got brushed bronze and gold. On the back it says use on wood, glass, metal, fabric. So this is the brushed bronze. And then gold. Boom, boom. Painting in white shirts is always a good idea. That was sarcasm. I just picked up a couple of these types of little cheap brushes from Michael's. This one I thought would be a perfect size for these little ridges right here. I also thought, because I like the weathered look, that these harsher bristles would help me to give those paint strokes, and that's fine with me because I like that. Just going straight across. This type of bristle is really helping give it that weathered brushed look. So don't use too much paint. Definitely take your excess paint from another area and just keep dragging it. So we're looking pretty decent so far. This is what we got going now. And so now to show you guys, the interior is still black. So that's what I'm gonna start working on. I'm finding for the interior that this is the best angle. Whatever is is most comfortable for you is perfectly okay. Thank you guys so much for watching today's wedding DIY video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe and do all that fun stuff if you'd like to see more videos from me. Yeah, have a great day, great week, great night, whatever it is, and I hope to see you guys again soon.